Welcome back to the BodyMaitre podcast. I'm Derek. We have arrived at the fifth and final episode of our series on the 2026 collective energy forecast. We have journeyed through the heavy landscapes of stored anger, victimhood, escapism, and resistance. You might be asking, what ties all of these together? The answer is the final pattern we explore today. It is the master program running in the background of the 2026 collective mind. It is our response to mass negativity and beliefs. This isn't just about the negativity existing out there. This is about how automatically and unconsciously we adopt that negativity as our own personal truth. This is about the contagion of fear. Let's break this down. In 2026, the world collective consciousness cloud is heavily weighed down by mass beliefs based on scarcity, division, and fear of the future. It's loud, it's everywhere, in the news, on social media, in casual conversations. Psychologically, humans are herd animals. When the herd panics, our instinct is to panic too, believing it is necessary for survival. We conflate the loudest voice with the truth. Spiritually, this pattern indicates weak energetic boundaries. Imagine your four bodies living in a house with all the windows wide open during a pollution storm. You are breathing in whatever the collective is exhaling. If the mass belief is everything is collapsing and you have no energetic filter, your subconscious immediately accepts this program and starts looking for evidence of collapse in your life, ignoring evidence of growth or stability. Collective beliefs don't enter through logic. They enter through repetition and emotion. When a belief is repeated often enough, life is getting worse. People can't be trusted. There's no future security. The subconscious absorbs it as environmental truth. Over time, this shapes decisions, expectations, reactions, and even intuition. This is how people start living from fear that isn't theirs. How does this destroy your peace? It robs you of your sovereignty. You become a mirror for the world's chaos instead of a generator of your own light. Let's look at an example. Let's call her Maria. Maria actually has a stable job and a loving family. Her personal reality is quite good, but in 2026, she spends an hour every morning consuming news about global economic crises. She absorbs the mass belief of impending scarcity. Even though her bank account is fine, she starts acting out of fear. She cancels a vacation that would have brought her joy. She becomes stingy with her generosity. She constantly talks about how bad things are getting. Maria has allowed the mass negativity to override her personal reality. She has aligned her frequency with the lowest common denominator of the collective, and she will soon start manifesting the very struggle she fears. The lesson of mass negativity is not to disconnect from the world, it is to differentiate. In 2026, sovereignty becomes a spiritual skill. The question is no longer, what is happening in the world? The question becomes, what am I allowing to live inside me? You are not required to carry the emotional weight of the collective to be compassionate or informed. Awareness does not require absorption. Now, let's move into a closing guided meditation for this series. Gently close your eyes if that feels safe. Take a slow breath in and exhale fully. Bring your awareness to your center, your chest, your belly, your breath. Notice what feels like you. Take a deep breath and visualize a sphere of mirrored golden light surrounding your entire energy field about 3 feet out from your body. This is your boundary. Nothing enters without your permission. Connect with your high self and repeat this final, powerful clearing statement. I call upon my high self and the collective angelic team. I ask to identify and sever all energetic cords connecting me to the mass negativity and lower collective belief systems of 2026. I revoke my agreement to match the frequency of collective fear. I am not subject to mass hysteria or scarcity programming. I command that my four bodies only resonate with truth that aligns with my highest good. I reclaim my sovereign right to perceive my own reality clearly, regardless of what the world is shouting. I release collective fear and negativity from my system. I disconnect from beliefs that do not align with my truth. I choose clarity over overwhelm. I remain informed without being absorbed. I stand sovereign in my own consciousness. Let us seal this series and your sovereignty with a prayer. Divine Spirit, grant me the gift of discernment. Help me distinguish between the noise of the world and the voice of my own intuition. Strengthen my energetic boundaries so that I may stand in the middle of the storm and remain peaceful, a lighthouse for others rather than a victim of the waves. May my physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual bodies remain clear and protected. May I walk through this world without carrying its fear. May my awareness be strong, my heart open, and my boundaries intact. May I contribute clarity instead of confusion, and may this sovereignty ripple through me and into the collective. Thank you. It is done. It is done. It is done. Open your eyes. Feel that separation. That is freedom. We have now covered the top 5 patterns of 2026. You have the tools to recognize anger, victimhood, escapism, resistance, and mass contagion. You are no longer flying blind in these energies. When your 4 bodies are aligned, you do not fight the collective. You move through it untouched. Thank you for taking this journey with me. Keep using these clearings. Keep your boundaries strong. And remember, you are a creator, not just a reactor. Stay grounded, stay sovereign, and continue caring for your 4 bodies.